Hi, today I'm going to introduce you to a custom Salesforce.com application and its similarities to a Lotus Notes application. In front of us here we see our sales CRM. We're going to choose our custom application, which is project management. The custom application initially is going to provide you with a dashboard of our up-to-date statistical information. It also has links here towards our projects, milestones, tasks, time, expenses and dashboards. I'm going to choose projects. Straight away there are similarities to a Lotus Notes application. We have our different fields, different field types here. It's tightly typed like Lotus Notes in terms of our date type fields. Our project status fields would be drop-down lists. Our accounts are links to different accounts within Salesforce in the similarities to Lotus Notes. We have additional functionality also. We have our project status indicator here, which is going to give us a green, amber or red signal as to the position of our project at present. We also have summarization statistical views here built in within the project. So we have our project milestones Gantt view here, which gives us our current status of our project milestones within this project. We also have our budgets and in terms of our hours and expenses, and these are calculated within the expenses within the tasks within the milestones. Below we also have a list of our milestones, very similar to an embedded view within Lotus Notes. By clicking on one of these, we will be brought to the milestones application. All these fields above can be read-only and can be field security enabled in similarities to Lotus Notes. Let's choose a milestone. So we're going to implement some similar functionality here, as in we have our date times here, we have our project which is being linked to above, we give it our own name, we give it our own description also. We've also got additional functionality which gives us a list here of our tasks at the top of the screen. We've also got our Gantt view, which is very similar to before. And again, our budgetary information. This budgetary information is calculated from the tasks which are below the milestone here and are filtered and bubbled to the top to give us a more statistical view. Again, if I choose one of the tasks here, we'll see we're traveling further down the tree, very similar to a Lotus Notes application. I've also got the ability within this screen, which is our task screen, to create a new expense which is going to be related to this task. So again, I'm going to give it a description here. I'm also going to give it an amount and I'm going to give it a date, and I've got my drop down list here for the individual users. Finally, we have our dashboards here. So our dashboards initially I showed you, this is going to give us our up to the minute breakdown statistically of our application data. These can be configured again by using code before clicks. We haven't written a single line of code for this. This is all done through the declarative model within Salesforce.com. We have a link here of our expense report status, our current quarter breakdown, and our expense summary analysis. Thanks very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to Salesforce.com and its similarities to Lotus Notes development.